Welcome to the Daily Rebirth, your go-to channel for all things finance and investment. Today we're taking you on a journey into the future, where the landscape of investment is shaped by innovation, sustainability, and strategic foresight. As we stand at the crossroads of change, we're set to explore the most promising investment opportunities of the future. So, buckle up and get ready to dive into the exciting world of finance. This is the Daily Rebirth, where we don't just predict the future, we help you prepare for it. Welcome back to the Daily Rebirth. Imagine the future, an era of unprecedented growth powered by the top 10 investment opportunities of 2024. This isn't just a flight of fancy, it's a glimpse into the present moment, where the seeds of tomorrow's prosperity are being sown. Firstly, let's delve into the realm of cutting-edge technology, where innovation is the name of the game. Think of companies like quantum tech, whose groundbreaking developments in quantum computing are pushing the boundaries of what's possible and setting the stage for a revolution. Next, sustainable energy is lighting up the path to a greener future. Companies such as SunPower Corp are harnessing the power of the sun, wind, and water to create cleaner, more efficient energy solutions. Their commitment to sustainability is not just good for the planet, it's also a potentially lucrative investment opportunity. Thirdly, we turn to the healthcare sector, where advancements are saving lives and driving profits. Take a company like MedTech Innovations, whose pioneering work in telemedicine and remote patient monitoring has made healthcare more accessible and efficient, especially in the face of global health crises. Then there's the resurgence in real estate. With urban areas experiencing a revival and remote work trends boosting demand for home office spaces, companies such as Urban Revival Properties are capitalizing on this trend, offering promising returns for savvy. These are just 4 of the top 10 investment opportunities of 2024, each one promising in its own right. But there's more. There's the burgeoning world of fintech, the rise of e-commerce, the expansion of the gig economy, the boom in online education, and the explosion of the entertainment industry, among others. Each of these sectors presents unique opportunities for those willing to take the plunge. They represent the convergence of innovation, market demand, and strategic foresight, the trifecta that often leads to successful investments. With these exciting investment opportunities, the future of finance isn't just promising, it's practically here. Welcome back to the Daily Rebirth. Now venture deeper into the realm of these exciting opportunities, exploring the most lucrative among them. First, let's delve into the world of cutting-edge technology. Staggering advancements in areas such as quantum computing and nanotechnology are not only reshaping our world, but also creating a goldmine of investment opportunities. Take quantum computing, for instance. A company like Quantum Tech has seen its value skyrocket in recent years, thanks to its pioneering work in this field. Their quantum processors are being used in everything from drug discovery to climate modeling, proving that this isn't just a lucrative opportunity, but a transformational one. Next, we have sustainable energy. As the world grapples with climate change, sustainable energy solutions are not just a necessity, they are a profitable venture. Solar energy particularly is shining bright. Case in point, SunPower Corp. They've developed advanced solar panels that are cheaper and more efficient than traditional models. In the past year alone, their stock has surged by an impressive 50%. With governments worldwide incentivizing green energy, this sector is set to soar higher. Lastly, let's talk about the resurgence of real estate. Yes, you heard that right. After weathering a stormy period, this sector is making a comeback. The rise of smart homes, for instance, is adding a whole new dimension to real estate investment. Consider the case of Smart Home Inc., a company that's transforming everyday homes into connected, energy-efficient spaces. Since its launch, the company has seen double-digit growth year on year, illustrating the potential that lies in this revived sector. These investment opportunities aren't just trends, they're the future of finance. Now it's up to you to seize these opportunities and ride the wave of financial success. After all, the future belongs to those who are prepared to grasp it. But the journey doesn't end here. There's a bonus opportunity waiting to be explored, the revolution of AI business. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer a concept of the future. It's here, it's now, and it's transforming the way we do business. From automating mundane tasks to predicting market trends with uncanny accuracy, AI is a game changer across various industries. Consider healthcare. AI is making strides in disease prediction and personalized treatment plans. Or think of retail, where AI algorithms are providing highly personalized shopping experiences. AI is not just changing the game, it's rewriting the rules entirely. Now, why is AI a promising investment? Simply put, it's all about potential. AI is predicted to add $15 trillion to the global economy by 2030. That's a figure too large to ignore. Investing in AI is investing in the future. A future where efficiency, innovation, and growth are driven by intelligent machines. In the world of AI, the possibilities for investment are as limitless as the technology itself.